In today's video, we're going to be taking our first look at the Galaxy Z Flip 5. We got our hands on the Flip 5 just a few hours ago, and I was really excited, so I've already unboxed it. Now, unlike most YouTubers, we had to pay for this device, so this is the exact same day one experience as you're going to get if you've pre-ordered too. I have used a Fold 4 in the past, and I have to say that I wasn't massively impressed with it. That's because it used to have that gap in between the screens when it was closed, which made me feel like it was going to break. The improvements that Samsung have made to this year's Flip 5 and Fold 5 are a huge improvement. As you can see on this Flip 5, there is no gap when the phone is closed. This makes me feel a lot better and gives me peace of mind that the phone isn't going to break. Now, other than that, I am a massive fan of this form factor. I was one of the few people that bought an iPhone 12 mini, so I love a small phone. I don't really get the whole hype around large phones because they're just a little bit cumbersome, they don't fit in my pockets, and I tend to drop them more. So having something this small that I can fit in the palm of my hand and just slide into my pockets makes me feel a lot happier. So something I didn't think that I would like is this outside display. For me, it just feels like you'd want to open the phone up and just reply to text and manage your notifications that way. But actually getting it out the box and using this large outside display, it does actually feel quite usable. I have to say, I've even replied to a text using this outside display, and it didn't feel like I was having to squint or cram my thumbs onto the screen. Now, I will actually be switching from my iPhone 14 Pro to this Flip 5. So we'll see if these first impressions carry on through the next few weeks. Now, another thing that I've been playing around with that seems like a bit of a gimmick, but to me actually quite useful, is the outside screen when you're on the camera. Now, as you can see, I've got the camera open pointed at you. However, you can also see what's going on as well. This is going to be perfect for those Instagram boyfriends that have to get 100 shots of their girlfriend before they eat. The only thing I am concerned about switching from my iPhone to this Flip 5 is going to be the battery life. The Flip series has never had good battery life, and is one of the reasons I've stopped using my iPhone 12 mini. Battery life is really important to me. I don't want to have to charge it multiple times in a day. So we'll see how it fares over the next few weeks. There we go, my first impressions of the Flip 5. Make sure you subscribe to see how I get on switching from my iPhone, and drop a like as well.